Welcome back. We have Tara Solomon-Smith joining us from the K-State Extension Service here to tell us about an event, Aging with Attitude Expo, a wonderful program that's going to be coming up in April.
Yes, we're back in person, and unfortunately, or fortunately actually, we're aging every day, right? And it's an opportunity to make the most out of life. We all need to do that. So the last Friday in April, April 29th, we'll be at the Community Church, Christian Church in Fort Scott, 9 to 3:30.
Now you guys, the Wildcat Extension Service offers these Aging with Attitude seminars like throughout the year, and these kind of programs all the time.
Yeah. So we have a lot of resources to make the most out of life, to learn more about resources in the community, or what you can do to stay in your home longer, or saving money on groceries, just estate planning, a wide range of education that we can provide. But this is a time that we can actually all come together, connect with other Kansans and community partners and businesses. We also have a keynote every year at this event. This year it's Dr. Mark Johnson, who helps us with our memory, which I need that on a daily basis.
I was just thinking about that too. Some of the things that he helps, like remembering names, dates, and other information.
Yeah.
Like, that's awesome.
Yeah, check in on this. Yeah.
All right. Well, that's cool that you guys have him, and you're going to be talking about things that you can do, to stretch your food budget. Things like that.
Yeah, and another session is on, mental health is everybody's journey, parts of everybody's journey, and that's a session talking about some of the connections between physical and mental health, and maybe those through the aging process that can come up. Also checking immunization facts for those 50 and over, what they help with, and the process of gaining those. Just a wide range of workshops.
And you mentioned there'll be vendors at this expo as well.
Yes, so we have 25 tables that you can peruse and go through throughout the day. Resources, assistive technology, benefit resources, community resources that people may not know about that could help us all in our daily lives.
Okay, so where can people go to find out the schedule of events if they had specific sessions they wanted to attend?
Sure. So you can definitely reach out to your local extension office. You could go to agingexpo.ksu.edu or by phone, 620-625-8620.
I'm assuming it's going to be laid out with the sessions back to back throughout the day, or?
Yeah, so you select, there's repeated sessions and 2 workshops in the morning and then different ones in the afternoon. So you select, but there's an option to fit and get a couple of sessions that you want.
Okay, and you do need to register in advance.
You do, preferably by April 18th. There is an option this year, though, if you don't feel comfortable coming out and connecting, you can get recordings for a lower cost for after this session. Day of is $15, which includes lunch, incentives, workshops, and the vendor fair as well.
It sounds like a lot of awesome stuff there. Now, are you guys, through your Aging with Attitude program, just are continuing to add different types of things that you guys do throughout since you guys have started with this program?
Oh, sure. Yeah, it's been going on for quite a while. You're right, and it continues to grow. Our community partners continue to grow. Our base following has continued to grow, and we're always looking for new and inventive ways to provide the information that older Kansans and all Kansans need.
All right, well, it sounds like a lot of important information, awesome information going to be held at the event at the Expo Aging with Attitude on Friday, April 29th. And again, you can sign up for that online at agingexpo.ksu.edu, or there's phone numbers to call as well.
Yes, thank you.
Well, Tara, thank you so much for coming in this morning. We really appreciate it. Anything else you want to add real quick? Or?
I don't think so. It's good to be back.
All right, it's nice to have you in person, for sure. We'll be right back.